Let's look at the counter pose, Matsyasana. You keep your legs together. Slide your arms directly underneath your body. Keep your elbows as close together underneath the lower back as possible. The arms are nicely stretched underneath the body. Now, as you inhale, lift your head and shoulders up, chest up, and then you tilt your head back. Keep the topmost portion of the head on the floor. Sometimes you may not be able to do this as it is being demonstrated. That doesn't matter because the upper back and the neck are not that flexible. Maybe you can only keep the back of your head on the mat. That's also fine. The chest is expanded. Breathe slowly and deeply into the lungs. The lungs are free in this position, Matsyasana, the fish. To release the posture, you slide the head down and you relax.